Last year's winter project for the T-bucket was a 383 stroker build, which I did in several part segment. This year I got a few more things coming your way, and gonna do those each individually, but here's an overview of what I got coming. Start with the transmission. Got a B&M Quicksilver shifter. Maybe you're not familiar with it. It is a ratcheting style shifter. You can see that? To get it out of park, you actually lift that up, reverse, it'll drop down for your, and then it ratchets. So that's first, second, drive, neutral. From neutral, it's locked out. You got to go back into drive to lift it up to get it back to reverse and park. So that'll be going on there. Along with that, doing the Transgo reprogramming kit. This is the 400 1 and 2. This one I'm going to use the gear select option, so it will be manual first and second shifts. If you put it in drive, it will shift automatically, but in first and second it will hold any gear to any RPM, and it will downshift at any RPM. So that'll also be going in there. I decided to upgrade the fuel system this year. So I'll be going with a Holley electric fuel pump. That's the Holley Blue. And it comes with a regulator. And it's a non-bypass style regulator. So you don't have to run a fuel return or anything to the tank. I'll make sure I do not have any fuel issues. And then finally, I'm going to be changing up exhausts. And I'll show you some close-up pictures, but it had been falling on its face around 5,000 RPM. So I've got some Kooks. They are straight through mufflers for it. And we see the comparison of what's been on there. I believe that's going to help pull the higher RPMs. And I'll get some better pictures up there, but that was the auger style muffler. For conventional glass pack style. But I'll show you some other pictures. I think that was choking it out. But that'll be the winter project on the T-bucket. Stay tuned. I'll go into more detail.